When you're ready for adventure, there's only one way. Fun Town RV, let the good times play. From fifth wheels, toy haulers, travel trailers, too, they got something on the lot that's perfect for you. Hitch it up, roll out, gotta do a double take. Deals so good, they'll make your whole trip great. Grab the keys, pack the crew, don't wait around. Fun Town RV, where the fun comes free. Get a brand new rig for your whole family. From sunrise drive into campfire nights, Fun Town RV makes everything right. Sales folks smiling like they've known you for years. Friendly as a tailgate full of ice-cold beers. From big old bum houses to weekend rigs, Fun Town RV, dreaming big. Fun Town RV, let the fun roll on. From dusk till dawn, keep the ditch strong. So if you're looking for, I'll just build your own combat author and a top and treat home.
What's going on, everybody? Today we're at Fun Town RV in Surprise, Arizona. So if you guys are looking to get a fifth wheel or a travel trailer or one of the little teardrop trailers, come up here to Fun Town RV in Surprise, Arizona. Link will be in the description below. We'll get doing the review walk-around tour in just a few minutes. We'll be right back with you. Alright guys, run away for the walk around on this nice big old fifth wheel here. Again, we're at Fun Town RV in Surprise, Arizona. If you guys have any inkling to get a travel trailer or a little teardrop trailer or just a little small fifth wheel, come up here to Fun Town RV in Surprise, Arizona. The link will be in the description below. So go ahead and give them a shout out, give them a look on the website, and if you do come here, please tell them Redneck sent you. We'll get going now. Flip the camera around here. Got this nice fifth wheel right here. Big 2 slide out on this side anyway. Should have a storage unit right here. So you got your storage unit right here, got your spare tire, all your vents and everything that you need. Lock this back up. Walk around here. Here you got your propane tank, dual propane. Got all your hot exhaust fans there for your heaters and oven. Got your gray tank right here. All your steady water connections, your shore power cord. You got an outdoor shower. You got a fresh water connection there. City water. All your satellite hookups, satellite dish hookup, cable. Your antifreeze for that whole system for winterizing if you're in that area. You got your camp power right here with shore power. Got another exhaust fan right here. Pretty good little slide out right there. Nice frame window. Another pretty good slide out. This is a pretty big unit here. Tires on this one are, these are on 235s. So they're regular size tires on it, and not trailer tires. All your, this is the Forest River Impression. all your tail lights, your backup camera, all your lights back there. Got a trailer hitch if you want to tow something else. Let's have a towing package on it. Towing rate is 3,000 pounds. The hitch rating is 300 pounds. 2-inch receiver, and it's a 4-pin connection. Got another slide out right here with your awning. I believe this one has a double awning on it. Yes, it does. Got double power awnings. Let's we are open. All right, guys. This one is going to be phenomenal. Got your couch right here. With all your different control panels for your awning in and out, and your slide outs in and out. Got your light controls. You got your AC unit. You got your remote AC unit. Nice, huge cabinets right here. I thought my lights might have worked. Good sized cabinet storage area. You got a nice cabinet storage area there. You got your big screen TV, fireplace. You got your surround sound system in here. This thing is absolutely huge. And you got your recliners right there. Big, huge open window. Got your workstation there so you can, if you're on vacation, you need to work really quick, you got that right there. Nice, big, huge round table. You got a microwave. You got, I believe, a 3-burner. Yes. It's a 3-burner stove with your oven. Nice big, looks like brown stainless steel sink. Really nice. You got your little spray nozzle right there. You got storage up here. You got storage galore in this. Let me show you that one real quick. You can always pause the video or screenshot whatever you want to do to read all that stuff. Well, look, you got a real full-size fridge in here. Nice big refrigerator on one side. Your freezer on the other. You got your pantry system. You got a pantry right here. Nice big pantry. You might as well say you can put this somewhere and just live in this thing. You got more storage here, counter space. Nice storage unit. Really nice. Got a countertop right here with more storage in there. And let's see if it's got it. Nope. Some trailers have the soft close. You got more storage down there. Got your raised lip right there for your refrigerator, so it's up a little bit more. Nice, huge round table. Again, check out the fireplace. That's cool. Looks like a 45 or a 50-inch television. I'm not sure. So now we'll come back in here. Yep. The toilet is porcelain. And I don't even got to sit in this thing to realize that this is going to be it's going to be redneck approved area. Nice stainless steel sink with the big round faucet. That even has a pull out. Got your stackable washer and dryer right here. That's different. You got your some nice blinds right here, cover the windows. You got shoe storage underneath the steps right here, so you go up 2 steps. Oh, wow. This is a king size bed, it looks like. Nice solid shut door, barn door style. That was bathroom number 1. Welcome to bathroom number 2, walk-in bath. Nice vanity area right there. Storage you can put some stuff into. Got a nice big shelf. Wow. Good size shelf. This area is not very tall, but it's okay. Again, you got your toilet seat, plenty of room. Let's see how this one works. Oh yeah, plenty of room in here. Got your adjustable shower heads. Nice marble style shower. You got your big window right here. You got your more dresser space, basically. From all your stuff. You got this. Nice size bed. Got your shelves up top of the windows there for your phones or cameras or whatever. I believe. Yeah, you got USB ports right there and a regular plug. On that side, actually on both sides. You got your AC control right there. So that's kind of cool. So let's walk out here and go over the features and all that. So we'll spin the camera around here. I'll get you the features for it. I'll get you everything you need to know about it. All right. We're going to sit right here in this recliner and just have a good old time. Oh, swivel recliner. You know what? There you go. Ah. Let's get comfy, guys. Let me shift this to the... Oh, no, man, guys. Let me shift this blind or curtain. So don't... Let me shift these curtains here real quick. So we don't have the glare. There we go. Now we don't got the glare. Now, listen, again, this is in Funtown RV. So the exclusive add-ons are the same as they've always been. So we got a couple other ones here. You got your camp ready package in it. The dealer prep is included. There's no hidden fees. You got the luxury pack included. You got 15K ducted AC, 2 of them basically. You got 2 15K ducted AC units. You got off the grid package. You got a comfort package, 4-point auto leveling system, diamond package, and a washer and dryer included. The stock number on this one is 217700. The make is Impression. Model number is 360MYR. It is a 2026. It is brand new. It's 8 foot wide. Gross vehicle weight is 15.9. The length is 37 inches, or 37 feet, 11 inches. The dry weight is 12.3. The color is delightful. Now the MSRP on this is $109,352.35. But here at Funtown RV, they have an everyday low price, $69,988. Now let's go over some of the features, the luxury package and all that stuff in this. Like I said, this is the Impression, made by Forest River. Delightful interior decor. The luxury package, high gloss exterior, $60K on demand water, heater's 1,000 or 3,000 pounds towable. Oh, $60K on demand water heater, 3,000 pound towable hedge. You got a smart TV, a 12-volt refrigerator, tinted glass, power landing gear, and stabilizer jacks. This package is $15,950. Comfort package, upgraded installation, tank heat pads for your water heaters if you're on a cold area. Forced heat assembly includes tank valves, 35,000 BTU furnace, 18,000 AC unit, 15 amp with second AC prep. That package is $6,525. The off the grid package, which is a 30 amp charge controller, 200 watt roof panel, solar on the side prep battery. That's a $725 package. Diamond package is a 16 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator, 1.6 cubic microwave, solid surface countertops, maximum windows square footage. There's no charge for that one. 4-point auto leveling system. The second 50K duct AC is $1,007.75. The washer and dryer is $2,312.75. The seal, there was no charge for that. Freight charges is $4,076. CDL fee is $339. Permits $127. Which the grand total of that is $109,352.35. The base price of this was $78,298.85. But if you come to Funtown RV, you get the Lux package, the second 15K duct AC, the grid package, the comfort package, the 4-point auto leveling system, the diamond package, and the washer and dryer package, all included. So just, if you're thinking about one this size, just know you come to Funtown RV, all the packages that I just read off are included with this. And it's only $69,988. So that is a big, big drop. It's a $39,364.35 discount. I did notice one more thing, guys, before I go. I didn't notice this till now, but you have a dishwasher. So now that one's pretty cool. Alright guys, that's going to conclude today's video. Remember, out here in the holler, the fun don't stop, it just gets crazier. Keep them bears cold, the lawnmowers running mostly, and them RVs stocked ready to rock. Till next time, stay rowdy, stay redneck, stay blessed. Redneck out.
When you're ready for adventure, there's only one way. Funtown RV, let the good times play.